What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, the smash like button, turn on post notifications. It is cold outside, but I had to get gas for my truck, so that's what we're doing right now. And then we're gonna get to the shop. I got a good handful of appointments today, so gonna get those knocked out and maybe introduce the Ghost Shaver Tail, unbox that, or kind of just go over it a little bit. I don't know. I might do an unboxing video like separately, but we'll see. But my hands are freezing. Let's get to the shop. Just got here to the shop. Second one here. It is freezing outside. I told y'all the pipe's just getting worked on. I wasn't lying. There it is. Davey's already here. Davey's usually the first one here, if I'm being a buck with y'all. Davey's always here by like 8:30, I think. But you guys see what it is. Executive barbershop. Hours of operation. This is, we're about to go start. We just started year 10. Year 10 here. Shop is nice and it's toasty. I know Davey's back here somewhere.
You ain't catching me slacking no more, nigga.
Oh, look at that.
You ain't
Okay.
catching me slacking no more.
So today we're gonna have to see what y'all think. I have to get a closer shot when everybody gets here. Who's gonna win today? What you munching on?
A salad burrito.
From where?
Lupitas.
Lupita's. What's the fit looking like today, though? What you got on?
You ain't gonna like it.
Oh, I don't even want to see it.
You ain't gonna like it.
Nah, we're gonna blur it out.
Red Raiders.
Oh my gosh. He was a UT fan for a little bit.
I tell him, let's go. I'm rooting on Manny.
Those
The
are-
youngest Manny.
Are those your mom's or your sister's pantyhose?
Huh?
Are those your mom's or your sister's
These are
pantyhose?
yours.
I don't wear pantyhose, bro.
No, you gave them to me.
Commando.
Yeah. Oh, trust me, I am commando right now. Wave check.
You wave check. Let's see.
Wave check.
Let's see what you're looking like.
Shit.
That boy's swimming. That boy's swimming if the pool was like a centimeter deep. So my wife, she loves to bake cookies. And these are probably like her go-to right now at the moment. These are fire. These are the homemade from scratch chocolate chip with M&M mixture.
He's just hyping up his wife.
Nah.
Nah, they're fine.
They're good. There you go, sir.
Did I do it in one bite?
I don't think you can do it in one
You
bite.
don't think I can do it in one bite?
No. You didn't even enjoy it. Chew it, though. Don't choke. Bruh. That's crazy. I think you could do that 72-ounce steak challenge, bro. No? So, we have our water and caffeine today. I just took my pills with this. And then I have this. Now, a little story about this right here, the Rip It, before I put on my apron. Let's go down memory lane for a little bit here. So many moons ago, your boy was deployed to Bagram, Afghanistan. Now, while I was out there, well, and in general, in the military, they tend to provide you with Rip-Its. That I think that's the lowest bidder for energy drinks for the military. So dining facilities, Charles, what have you, whatever you want to call it, DFAC, I don't know what you want to call it. But anyways, where you get food when you're in the military, they have these here. This is the Rip-It. Now, when I was in Afghanistan back in 2012. So we used to have all types of planes coming from all over Germany, just different places in the AOR, which means area of responsibility. But that's just in that Middle Eastern area. So Qatar, Kuwait, different places like that. So there was one particular crew that we would trade all the time. So in Bagram, you could buy cigarettes for $5 a carton. I'm not talking $5 a pack, $5 a carton. Newport, Marlboro Light, like all types of different cigarettes you could buy for $5 a carton. So we didn't have Rippets at our station. Unfortunately, they weren't shipping them over there. I don't know why, but that's just beyond me. So they didn't have the Rippets while we were there at the dining facilities. We couldn't find them ever. Unless somebody was taking them all the time, I don't know. But we could never get them. So there was a plane that would come in from Kyrgyzstan all the time, from Manas. There was a crew that would fly in all the time, and we'd always trade them cigarettes for cases of Rippets. So cartons of cigarettes, cases of Rippets. Rippets became like a currency. I've personally used and seen milk be a currency. What else have I seen be a currency? Bacon. So these are just different types of things that I've seen used as currency while I was working, in the military, over there while I was in the Middle East. But this right here, got it at Dollar Tree 2 days ago. Not 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. When we did when I went to Dollar Tree for the envelope. But yeah, a little backstory on Rip It. But this is my favorite part of the morning right here. Y'all ready? Yeah.
Jay!
Delicious. Before we get to the haircuts, let's check out the drip real quick. Got the brown Materialistic Junkies tee on. We got the blue jeans, and we have the ones, Palomino ones. What y'all think? We're gonna do a taper, high taper, cut off some of the top, and we're also watching the new Diddy Netflix documentary. I know you. Oh dang, that's crazy. Diddy or did he not? He did it? I agree. On this documentary, this dude's getting edged up while he's on the phone. As a barber, that'd probably be like #1 pet peeve. I don't know how Marcus PH does it. I know it's a lot of money, but that's a lot of aggravation and anxiety trying to cut a moving target all the time. Look at this.
Around this time, I had just finalized.
This right here is Mr. I'm not gonna say his legal name, but you're going on Vlogmas, bro. That's what it is, bro. You're my favorite client, and there ain't no changing that, bro. All my clients are my favorite clients. Here is the Go Shaver, TPOB Go Shaver. This is getting super bald. He asked for a Boosie fade, but I can't do that to him. But it gets bald. Look at that, y'all. If y'all haven't copped this TPOB Go Shaver, you really gotta go and scoop that off of tpobusa.com. So David, this is his first Vlogmas this year. We've done like 3 seasons, but this is his first Vlogmas because it is.
No, it's not. I've been on like 1 or 2.
Nah.
Yeah. Go back and look, because we had saw one. You put on the TV.
No, that wasn't Vlogmas. That was just a vlog, bro. Yeah. But
no, I remember a Vlogmas.
no, he never has been.
It was your first year doing it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, that was a short clip on Instagram, but you never been on the YouTube Vlogmas.
Yeah, I did. It was your first year doing it. Anyways.
No.
Before we get into it.
We weren't down the street. I've never done it down the street.
It was the first year here. We were here opening. We had a Vlogmas, bro.
I have to go back and look at the footage, but I can guarantee that this is first time.
I can guarantee it's not.
But
type it in the comments so you think's right. What's going on, brother?
Other than that, I was trying to introduce him. So this is David. But yeah, he's not feeling so jolly today. So after doing a clean blend like that, you should be pretty happy, David.
I'm always happy. I just like to argue with you.
Yeah, and wear Texas Tech shirts on purpose.
Just to piss you off, exactly.
I think they made it. Did they make it? Now it's time for the daily sneaker battle. We got David wearing the reverse flu games. We got Zaza with the fours on. I'm wearing the Palomino ones. And then what's Luis wearing? A New Balance. I like those. Some light. Let's see. I want to get a closer look at Luis's. There they are. And then we have Hector. He's wearing some great value. No, it's fine. Those are nice, bro. Are those new? The new one? Yeah. Dang, bro.
I got lucky on the sneakers that first time I hit.
All right, so now that we're here, this is Hector. It's definitely his first Vlogmas. Hector, how long have you been a barber?
I've been a barber for about 4 years now.
Use your man voice.
4 years.
Say it with your chest. So he's been a barber for 4 years. He's actually an international barber.
I am.
Because he's barbered in multiple countries. If you're guessing, everybody in the comments guess where he barbered at. And it's not India.
Or Dubai.
Or Dubai. But Hector, how long you been at the shop now?
I'm going on 2 years now.
2 years at the shop.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of other information. Have you worked at any other barbershop?
I was at headquarters barbershop for about a year. And then from there, I found a new home.
Headquarters, and so, what was the other question? For you, what's the best part of being a barber?
The best part about being a barber is you get to be yourself.
And you
Be yourself and express who you are.
And who are you?
I am a loving, genuine person.
Loving, genuine person with beautiful teeth, might I add. There it is. Where do you see yourself in 5 years as a barber?
I see myself in 5 years. Realistically, I would like to be a shop owner by then.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, I like it. I dig it. I dig it. What would you tell the world about barbering? Anybody who's like new, coming up in school.
Just stay, more than anything, stay self-motivated. Because that's what's really going to help you improve in your craft and in your personal life.
I think we covered a lot of questions. Last but not least, what's your favorite NFL team? Oh, who's your favorite NFL team?
I thought you never asked, bro.
All right, and that's where I'm gonna cut the screen, and we're gonna go to a. You had. Wait, what's gonna? No, we won't ask that.
No, I'm not gay.
No.
I'm not gay.
Well, he's not living out loud, but. All right, y'all. That's Hector. Go follow him on Instagram at Hec223. Oh, Hecto, Hec2. It sounded. I read it like Hec2. I didn't know it was Hecto. Hecto. All right. And also, he's a ex-professional soccer player. So, go look him up. My boss wasn't here earlier, but he has on the Gratitude 11s. So y'all decide who is the best shoe today. I think he's gonna win again. What's up, y'all? Just left work. I am headed home to go change real quick. I am playing the electric guitar at church tonight. So I'm gonna go get ready for church, head over there, and play the electric. I don't know what we're playing tonight. I don't know what set we're doing. We'll figure it out when we get there. Let's get home. Here at church, and I play the electric tonight. There's the meat lady from the other day. the meat plug. The church has got decorations now. And there is my creation.
I need help.
It made sense to me in my mind. We get inside of our own heads, and it all makes sense. In this season of what we call nearness, many are still all alone. It can strip you down emotionally. It'll leave you feeling exposed, overwhelmed, and running out spiritually into the dark like John Mark. Not because you hate God, but because you don't want to be around to see how lonely you really are. You fear exposure.
We just got back from church. Jordy is wearing Kai's clothes already. She's getting big. She's gonna be taller than you, boy.
Dad, are we going to school tomorrow?
I don't know. We'll see how bad the snow is. All right, y'all. That'll do it for the day. Didn't really get much of the kids, but here's Kai again. Say something. Say something. You gonna say something?
Hi, my name is Gizmo.
Okay. Yeah, that's enough of the kids. Jordan, wanna say something?
I have to say something, Dad.
Come here.
Dad, I have to say something. I have to say something, Dad.
All right.
Merry Christmas. I can do the moonwalk.
All right, y'all. That'll do it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We just left church. It was a great service. I played electric tonight. I was trying to experiment with some riffs, but it didn't go as planned. I kind of like missed a note. But I'm my own biggest critic, is what it is. But we also recorded some, because every year we do an end of the year video of like the entire year at our church, just different things. It's always themed. So we had some of the older Christians in our congregation. We interviewed them. So we had something set up to where we can interview, and it came out really good. I really like how the lighting was and everything. But that's one of the biggest things that I enjoy is doing content. So if it's not with my YouTube or Instagram, I'm doing content for my church or just trying to help out with the multimedia stuff and all that. But my wife made a roast. We got white rice. We're gonna grub and then get to bed. But I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. My son is still trying to interrupt me while I'm trying to close this out. What? Hey, bro, stop. This kid over here with no shirt on. Anyways, like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We got day 3 in the books, day 4 of Vlogmas. Everybody wants to talk to Dad while he's filming. But anyway, y'all have a blessed night. God bless.